Today is the big day! We are going to the pet shop.
I want a fluffy friend. I want a cute cat. Let's go, Oliver.
Okay, Lily, let's go.
Yay, a fluffy cat.
I can't wait.
The sun is bright. We are walking fast. Look, the shop is over there. Almost there. We are here. The pet shop looks amazing.
Wow, so many animals. Look at all of them.
Look at the puppies. They are so friendly.
He wants to say hello. Hello, little dog. Hello. The puppy has a short tail. He is so funny. A hamster! He is running so fast! Zoom!
He is eating. His cheeks are very big. The rabbit is hungry. He loves carrots. Yum!
The fur is so soft, like a white cloud.
Goodbye, little rabbits. Your fur is so soft. Now, let's go and see the birds. Wow, look at the colors. The parrot is so pretty. Hello, bird.
The birds are singing! I love their colors!
A parrot. He has a big yellow beak. Cool. Look at the fish. They are swimming underwater. The fish makes bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles!
A turtle. He is very slow. Step by step. The turtle has a hard shell. It protects him.
Now, let's find a cat, my favorite animal.
Look at the kittens. They are sleeping together. Oh, look, that one is stretching. So cute. Oliver, a white cat. He is so beautiful. Meow. Look, Oliver, he's looking at me. Meow. He wants to play. Let's go inside the room. He is so light. I love you, Mochi. He is purring. That means he is happy. He is playing. Roll the ball, Mochi. He is playing. Roll the ball, Mochi.
Jump, Mochi! You are a fast hunter! Stop it, little one. Stop it, Mochi. You are a naughty cat.
He is licking my face. It is so ticklish.
We choose you. Welcome to our family.
Yay! Mochi is ours now. A soft bed. Mochi will sleep here tonight.
Wow, it's so fluffy.
It's perfect for Mochi.
Great choice, Lily.
Yay! Let's get it.
Okay.
Food. food! Yummy fish for my little friend.
A new toy. Play, play, play.
Wow, it's squeaking.
It likes you.
Let me try. A litter box. We must stay clean, Mochi.
Good idea, Lily. Mochi will love it. I'll carry them both. I'm strong.
See? I'm a big sister now.
You're the best, Lily. Hello, kids. You are very kind to animals.
Thank you.
We got everything for Mochi.
We want Mochi to be happy.
That's so sweet. Here's a little gift for Mochi.
Wow, a blue bow. I pay for Mochi. Thank you, miss. Your name is Mochi. M-O-C-H-I. Look in the mirror, Mochi. Time to go home. Are you ready, buddy? The sunset is beautiful. I am so happy today.
We have a new friend, a white fluffy friend.
We're home, Mochi. I'll get the door. We are home. Welcome to your house.
Here we go.
Don't be afraid, Mochi. This is your home. Good kitty. Mochi is hiding. He is a bit shy now. Mochi, where are you?
Come out, Mochi. Let's play together.
You are a hero, Mochi, the white hero.
Wow, Mochi, you're flying like a superhero.
Yeah, Mochi, the bravest hero.
Yay! Mochi is the best!
His fur is so soft, like a warm blanket.
Dinner time! Eat your food, Mochi. Yum!
He is drinking. Good boy, Mochi. We need to hide the food carefully so Mochi doesn't eat too much.
Okay, Oliver.
Keep the food safe. Be a responsible owner.
I will. I brush your fur. Now you are clean and pretty.
Wow, Lily, Mochi looks so fluffy and shiny.
Look, Mochi can wash his face. Smart cat. Yes, just like that. Good job, Mochi. You're such a smart cat.
I love to read. Stories are magic, right, Mochi? Yeah, Mochi loves stories.
Your bed is warm. Sleep well, Mochi. Run, Mochi, run! Catch the butterfly! You're almost there, Mochi. Wow, look at it go! Keep going, Mochi. He is brave, a little lion in our garden. Wow, look at you go!
It is time to relax. A peaceful day with Mochi.
Look, Mochi and Buddy are playing together.
Look, Mochi and Buddy are friends. Teamwork.
They're so cute. Go, Mochi!
Yeah, they're a great team.
I am a helper. Milk for Mom, milk for Mochi.
Thank you, Lily. You're a big help.
Here you go, Mom.
Perfect, sweetie. Look, Mochi, our first day at the pet shop.
And there's Mochi in her cage. She's all grown up now.
We are a happy family. I love you all so much.
You are my little sunshine, Lily. And Mochi too.
Do you like cats? Please give us a like.
Subscribe for more pet adventures.